All to AISSMS Institute of Information Technology Pune. In this video we are going to discuss Fourier series. So Fourier series is given for periodic functions of such certain period. Fourier series was given by the mathematician Fourier, and he said that any periodic function can be written as the linear combination of the known periodic function sin x and cosine x. So what was this statement? So the statement of Fourier series is as follows. So let f of x be a periodic function of period 2 pi defined in the interval 0 to 2 pi. Defined in the interval 0 to 2 pi, then f of x can be expressed as f of x is equals to a naught upon 2 plus summation of an cos nx plus bn sin nx. An cos nx plus bn sin nx, and this summation runs from 1 to infinity, where this constant a naught, an and bn are called Fourier coefficients, and we will have to find the values of these coefficients an, a naught, an and bn, where this a naught is given by 1 upon pi integration 0 to 2 pi f of x dx. An will be is equals to 1 upon pi integration 0 to 2 pi f of x into cos nx dx, and this bn's will be equal to 1 upon pi integration 0 to 2 pi f of x into sin nx dx. So we will find these coefficients a naught, an and bn, and we have to substitute in this main equation. So we will mark this as main equation as star. So after finding the value of a naught, an and bn, we will substitute these values in star to get our required Fourier series expansion of the function f of x. Now we will solve one example related to the Fourier series. So we will find one Fourier series of a function. The question is, example, determine the Fourier series for the function f of x is equals to under root of 1 minus cos x, f of x under root of 1 minus cos x in the interval 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2 pi. So we can see that for f of x is defined in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So given that f of x is equals to under root of 1 minus cos x, this we can write as under root of 2 sin square x by 2, because 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. So this is nothing but root 2 into sine of x by 2. So by Fourier series, this f of x is given by a naught upon 2 plus summation of an into cos nx plus bn into sin nx. Now we will find the value of this an sin bn. Of course, this sum runs from 1 to infinity, where this a naught is equals to, where a naught is equals to 1 upon pi integration 0 to 2 pi f of x dx. So this is equals to 1 upon pi integration, 1 upon pi integration 0 to 2 pi. What is the value of f of x? F of x is under root 2 sine of x by 2 dx. So solving this integration, we get, this is root 2 upon pi minus 2 into cos of x by 2 within the limits 0 to 2 pi. After putting these limits, we get a naught is equals to 4 root 2 upon pi. So after putting the upper limit minus the lower limit, we get a naught is equals to 4 root 2 upon pi. Now we will find an and bn using the same technique. So our an is equals to an is equals to 1 upon pi integration 0 to 2 pi f of x into cos nx dx. So this is equals to 1 upon pi integration 0 to 2 pi. What is the value of f of x? Is root 2 into sine of x by 2 into cos of nx dx. So this is equals to root 2 upon, I will multiply and divide by 2. So this is 2 pi integration 0 to 2 pi 2 times sine x by 2 into cos of nx dx. So this is equals to root 2 upon 2 pi integration 0 to 2 pi. Now 2 sine x by 2 into cos of nx. So we will apply the formula for 2 sine a cos b. 2 sine a cos b will apply the formula. So we will get sine of n plus 1 by 2 times x minus sine of n minus 1 by 2 times x and integration of dx. So we know that the integration of sin x is cos x. So after solving this integration, we get 1 upon root 2 pi integration 0 to 2 pi minus cos of 2n plus 1 upon 2 of x divided by 2n plus 1 upon 2 plus cos of 2n minus 1 upon 2 x divided by 2n minus 1 upon 2 within. So I will solve this integration. So this integration will be within the limits. So this will be within the limits 0 to 2 pi. So this will be within the limits 0 to 2 pi. Now after putting the value of upper limit and lower limit, so after putting the value of upper limit and lower limit, I will get, so these two will get outside. So 2 upon 2 root pi into 1 upon 2n plus 1 minus 1 upon 2n minus 1 plus 1 upon 2n plus 1 minus 1 upon 2n minus 1. So this is equals to, the final answer that we are getting is, after solving this, we get minus 4 root 2 divided by pi into 4n square minus 1. Similarly, we find the value of bn. So the bn's are given by, Bn is equals to 1 upon pi integration 0 to 2 pi f of x into sin nx dx. So after putting the value of f of x, so we'll get 1 upon pi integration 0 to 2 pi root 2 into sin x by 2 into sin nx dx. So this is of the form sin a into 2 sin a into sin b. So 2 into, I will just multiply and divide by 2. So I will take this root 2 outside the integration, multiply divide by 2, and this integration is from 0 to 2 pi 2 into sin x by 2 cos sin nx dx. Again I will apply the formula for 2 sin a into sin b to get 1 upon, so here it is pi, 1 upon root 2 pi into integration of 0 to 2 pi cos of n minus 1 by 2 into x minus cos of n plus 1 by 2 into x dx. So we have to integrate this. After integrating, we get 1 upon root 2 pi, this is sine of 2n minus 1 upon 2 x divided by 2n minus 1 upon 2 minus sine of 2n plus 1 upon 2 of x divided by 2n plus 1 upon 2, and within the limits 0 to 2 pi. We can see that if you put the value of 2 pi and 0, it will have sine of 2 pi and sine of 0. We know that sine of 2 pi is 0 and sine of 0 is 0, so ultimately these values will be 0. So putting this value of an and bn in our Fourier series expansion, our f of x will become 1 minus cos x is equals to a0 upon 2 will be is equals to a0 upon 2, so this will be 2 root 2 upon pi minus 4 root 2 upon pi into summation of 1 upon 4n square minus 1 into cos nx, and this sum runs from 1 to infinity. So this is the Fourier series expansion of the given function.